Hello YouTube, how are you guys doing? If you watched yesterday's video, you know that I went out with my fiance last night. We had a great time. We went to Purnell's Bistro in Birmingham. Had a fantastic time. We spent a few hours out there as well, and really had a good time. Came back, had some champagne, and then went to bed. In yesterday's vlog slash video, I showed you this, which is the Airfix brick kit. It's a Mclaren P1 version. My parents brought me the Lamborghini version for Christmas, the Lamborghini Aventador version. I really enjoyed that version, so I thought why not buy the McLaren P1 version, because I absolutely love the McLaren P1, everything about it, just incredible. This one really stood out to me because it's got a active rear wing as well. Lego do their own version of this. It's a licensed product, but it doesn't look anything like the McLaren P1, and I think it's like £40 to £45. Whereas this, £12.99 with free delivery from Amazon, because I'm part of Prime as well, so I got free delivery on it. That's what it looks like on the back. It's just basically bricks underneath, and then you got big plastic parts on top to make it actually look like what it's meant to be. So last night when we came back, I quickly put this together, and yeah, I think it went well. So this is what the vehicle looks like. Let me just move the box out of the way. As you can see, it does look like a McLaren P1. I haven't put the headlight stickers on as of yet, and for some reason this door doesn't sit flush with the bodywork. I'm not sure if I've done something wrong. I've tried pressing it down, it's not really working, so I'll probably take it apart later and try again. But as you can see, the rear grille is stickers. There's a sticker on the engine just through this plastic cover. There's a P1 sticker there. You do get a generous amount of stickers. They're not painted pieces. Inside as well, you've got a sticker for the steering wheel as well. But overall, it's a really cool design. As I said, the main reason why I brought this is because of the active rear wing. You can have it in race mode, you can have the air brake up, or you can put it down. Last night I put the spoiler down, I couldn't get it back up again, so I had to take the whole car apart just to get this piece out. It does disconnect somehow. There we go, it disconnects, and you just put it back in there and it raises and lowers just like a real thing. But for now I'll keep it in race mode just so I can get the spoiler up again in the future. But overall it does look like a real McLaren P1, and I'm really happy with it. £12.99, you can't go wrong. Proper rubber tyres as well, and it's part of the Airfix Quick Build kit. So overall it looks really cool. It's not a normal Lego size, so it won't fit with your Lego figurines, although you can sit them inside, but they'll probably look a bit small compared to the vehicle. But yeah, it's a great kit, and I'm really happy with it. I've got a proper die-cast model here. This one's the real deal. Spoiler doesn't come up on this one, the bonnet doesn't open. The only things that open are the doors, which are quite hard themselves. This one was about, I think, £25 for a proper metal version. So, you know, paying £40 to £45 for a Lego licensed product isn't really worth it in my eyes, when you can either get this for £12.99 or pay a bit more and get a proper metal version. These are rising in prices because these are becoming quite rare models. So quite happy to have this in my collection. But if you're actually thinking about buying this, they do other colours as well. I think there's an orange and a yellow version, so definitely worth looking into if you're an automotive fan and you like supercars. It would make a great birthday present, Valentine's Day present, whichever takes your fancy. But yeah, as you can see, I'm quite pleased with that. So that kind of wraps up today's video. That's all I wanted to show you today, was just the McLaren P1 car. We were planning on going out, but we didn't go out in the end, and then tomorrow I'm going back home for work. But I thought, why not show you this instead? There's not many videos of it on YouTube. There are quite a few, but you know, they're just pictures of the car rather than a video talking about the car. But anyway, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.